Good afternoon, everyone. It me Sasi. I am back from immigration. Well, everyone know how to find me. It's my job. I help elderly people here do retirement visa, do the process driver license, and I do for looking house, land, condo, business, register, everything in me now, Sasi. Well, I am here. Everyone know how to find me at Rompo Mu Kata. We have coffee here. We have cafe, English food, Thai food, international. If you can come to Thailand, you want to looking for the good food, good coffee, and enjoy at Rompo Mu Kata. I am here. Well, everyone enjoy. Have a nice day. It me now, Sasi. Don't forget to book and call apartment and buffet only 299 baht. You can come and enjoy all night. Well, don't forget to book appointment. Right now is about law, visa, system, everything about new law. You need to know about the rule. Just call me and come and book appointment. Well, everyone enjoy. Have a nice day. Okay, bye. Don't forget to call me.